What's happening? This your boy Al, man. Just took the motor out the Yukon thing. Just took the motor out. Had some squealing noise going on. My brother almost like to call the jump man to come get the truck. He was just tired of dealing with it. Told him let me come on out there and straighten it out. I got the motor here. Bottom end took out. I got the bottom end. That's the key factor in that motor, man. You can see the cam shell down in there.
Brother, what's the name? You said they burnt that. What happened about them?
We can take them to a machine shop and see if they bad. Got the old crankshaft here. Just took out. We're gonna put the new crankshaft in here. New crankshaft here. Taking the old crankshaft for the old bearing. Got a couple bad bearings. It's real, we took them out. Old hurt bearing, man. They real hurt. Yep. Getting the Yukon thing back right, man. Shit, everything don't deserve to be just sitting. It deserve to be shining while it's riding. We'll get back with y'all. What's happening, man? It's your boy Al in the building. Just dropped the motor back in the Tahoe. We're on the phase of seeing what that thing crank up. I don't know what that is. Oh, we got the lights on. Bro, crank that thing, go see if you can start. And he alive, ready to ride. Motor running smooth. Ain't no shaking in the motor.
Oh, it done cut off!
Yeah, right. They back on deck, man. Now we're gonna put some paint on this guy, man. Motor back in, man. 2-3 days, man. I don't play. Don't play with me, man.
Stack mine!
Same Tahoe back running.